Hello students, this is my another video on the topic multiples and factors. In this video I will discuss about co-prime numbers. When two numbers have only one as their common factor, then they are called co-prime number. Okay, for example 4 and 9. So what are the factors of 9? I have already discussed. I have explained to you factors. Factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. With these three numbers only 4 can be divided. So 1, 2 and 4 are the factors. And factors of 9, 1, 3 and 9. With these three numbers 9 is divisible. Okay. So when we write down all three factors of 4 and 9, what we find? We find 1 is common factor of 4 and 9. So since 1 is the common factor of 1 and 9, hence 4 and 9 are co-prime number. You take example of any two number. Okay, first you find out their factors. If they do not have any common factor except 1, then such numbers are called co-prime number. Okay, co-prime number. For example, you can take 5 and 9. Between 5 and 9 there is no any common factor. Only common factor is 1. So 5 and 9 is also a co-prime number. Twin prime number. What is twin prime numbers? If two prime numbers have only one number between them there is how many number? One number. For example, 2 is a prime number and 3 is a prime number, but between them there is no any number. Okay, there is no any number because 2 and 3 are consecutive number, means एक के बाद एक आते हैं. ठीक है. For this reason 2 and 3 is not a twin prime number. Okay, twin prime number. 3 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. Between 3 and 5 what comes? 4 comes. Between 3 and 5 what comes? 4 comes. So therefore 3 and 5 are twin prime number. Prime number also I have explained. You take any number, you find out their factors. If you find that any number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself, then such number is called prime number, means it has only two factors. First factor is 1 and another factor is the number itself. Okay, so you take any two prime numbers. Okay, and if only one number come between two prime numbers, then such number is called co-prime number. It is called twin prime number. It is called twin prime number. Again I have shown you the example 11 and 13. Between 11 and 13 what comes? 12. 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, and between them 12 comes. Therefore 11 and 13 is a twin prime number. Similarly 17 and 19 both are prime number and between them what comes? 18. So 17 and 19 is a twin prime number because only one number is coming between them. 3 and 5 is a twin prime number because between 3 and 5 only one prime number come. Perfect number. What is a perfect number? A number which is the sum of all its factors except the number itself is called a perfect number. It means first of all you find out the First of all, we find out the factors of any number, all the factors. Then you add all the factors except the number itself, and if the sum of all the factors is equal to the number, then it is called a perfect number. इसमें क्या करना है, सब आप लोगों को सबसे पहले कोई भी नंबर दिया जाता है उसका आप लोग फैक्टर निकालिए। फैक्टर निकालने के बाद सारे फैक्टर को प्लस कीजिए, बस केवल उस फैक्टर को मत प्लस कीजिए जो वो नंबर का फैक्टर है। जैसे मान लीजिए 25, तो 25 का फैक्टर है, 14 का फैक्टर है, 17 का फैक्टर 17, उसको नहीं प्लस करना है। ठीक है, उस नंबर का जो फैक्टर है उसको नहीं प्लस करना, बाकी जितने भी फैक्टर है उसको प्लस करना। अगर प्लस करने के बाद वही नंबर आ जाता है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड परफेक्ट नंबर। जिसे I have given, for example, I have given 6 is perfect number. Why it is a perfect number? Because factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, if you keep aside 6 because 6 is the number itself, we will not add while doing the addition and add the remaining, then what we will get? We will get a 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will become 6. Okay, and I have given the homework. Only few students they have done the homework. Okay, any doubt? So more I have done to help you. Look here, find the common factor. Many of you that day also confusing. What you have to do, first of all you have to write down the all factors of 20. 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. Okay, in the table of 4 5s are 20, 2 10s are 20. Then no need to write 5 into 4, 4 into 5 and 5 and into 4, they are same. Okay, and 1 into 20. After that, what will be the factor? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. I have written. Then similarly I have written the factor of 25. 1, 5, 25. When I compare what I have underlined, 1 is also here and 1 is also the factor of 25. 5 is the factor of 20 and 5 is the factor of 25. So 1 and 5 are the common factor. Similarly, common multiple. Multiple means table. You write down the first 10 table of 5, first 10 table of 10, and then you find the common multiple. I got it here. Okay, one more question I have done. Question number 3, find twin prime numbers below 100. I have written the answer 3 5 because between them 4 will come, 5 7 between them 6 come, 11 13 12 come. So below 100 how many prime numbers? We have 8 twin prime number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 pairs. Okay, I hope it will help you, and some questions I have given homework. Please do it, and any problem please ask. Okay.